What makes Stratec special? Being a leading provider of automation solutions for in vitro diagnostic companies, as well as life science and translational research, over 40 years of expertise, and a technology pool that is unrivaled on the market, or continuous growth with customers who always keep returning to us with their highly regulated applications like in molecular diagnostics, immunoassays, and immunohematology? Some would say it's all of that. We say it is our way of working, our strong commitment. It's the interdisciplinary teams developing groundbreaking, reliable, and efficient solutions, from instrumentation to complex polymer-based consumables, software, and a variety of proven modules and components. Not only meeting international standards, but setting new standards in quality, usability, and workflow for state-of-the-art products. We work with our customers from the initial idea, development, and implementation to full support through the entire product lifecycle. A partnership based on mutual trust, continuity, and professionalism that gives us a deep understanding of the needs, challenges, and visions of our customers. We call this partnering along new lines, but some would just say, together we make it happen.